Join me as I take on the challenge of changing my life in just 52 weeks. Can I really transform myself in a year? So, have you ever felt like you're stuck in a rut, like you're not living the life you truly want to live? Well, you're not alone. Many of us feel like we need to make significant changes to our lives, but we often put them off until tomorrow, or next week, or next year. But what if I told you that you could make those changes in just 52 weeks? That's less than a year, folks. In this video, we're going to explore the possibility of transforming your life in just 52 short weeks, and I'm excited to share with you the strategies, the obstacles, and the success stories that will inspire you to take action. We've all been there. We want to make changes, but somehow they just don't happen. We procrastinate, we lose motivation, or we're simply too afraid to take the leap. The fear of failure can be overwhelming, and it's easy to get stuck in a cycle of negativity and self-doubt. But the truth is, making changes is hard, and it's okay to feel scared or uncertain. The key is to acknowledge those feelings and push through them. Another common obstacle is lack of accountability. When we're trying to make changes on our own, it's easy to fall back into old habits or give up when things get tough. And then there's the biggest obstacle of all: our own minds. We often sabotage ourselves with negative self-talk, self-doubt, and limiting beliefs. But here's the thing: these obstacles are not insurmountable. With the right strategies and mindset, you can overcome them and make the changes you want to make. One of the most effective ways to make changes is to set clear and achievable goals. Break down your big goals into smaller, manageable tasks that you can focus on each week. Consistency is key, so make sure you schedule time each day or week to work on your goals. Another strategy is to build good habits and replace bad ones. Identify the habits that are holding you back and replace them with positive ones that will propel you forward. And don't be afraid to seek support, whether it's a friend, family member, or professional coach. Having someone to hold you accountable and provide guidance can make all the difference. I want to share with you an inspiring story of someone who transformed their life in just 52 weeks. Her name is Sarah, and she went from being a couch potato to running a marathon in just 1 year. She started by setting small goals for herself, like running for 10 minutes a day, 3 times a week. She then gradually increased her distance and frequency, and before she knew it, she was running 10 kilometers without stopping. What's amazing about Sarah's story is that she didn't let her initial lack of fitness or fear of failure hold her back. She persisted, and her hard work paid off. So what's the takeaway from all of this? Can you really change your life in just 52 weeks? The answer is absolutely. It won't be easy and it won't happen overnight, but with the right mindset, strategies, and support, you can make significant changes to your life. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Don't be too hard on yourself and celebrate your wins along the way. Thanks for watching, and if you've had a similar experience of transforming your life in a short amount of time, share your story in the comments below. Also, if you want to learn more about personal development and making positive changes in your life, check out this video on building self-confidence. Title: Email us at officialpurespace.com, comment on the video, and like and subscribe on screen text.